Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 132, Calculus with Applications, Section 15.4, Problem 3. This is Section 15.4, Problem 3. We want to do the definite integral of x squared plus x plus 2 dx from 1 to 0. So a definite integral is a four-step process. Step 1 is solve the integral. So x squared, the integral would be 1 over 3 x to the 3. Now the x that comes next, you can assume it's a 1x to the first power. Even though that's not written, you can assume it's in there. And the integral would be 1 over 2. You increase the exponent by 1, x to the 2. And then the 2 on the end, the integral would be a 2x. And the fractions that I get don't really reduce. So that's the answer for step 1. That's the integral. And the notation, I put a long vertical line to the right of my answer for the integral, putting in the limits of integration, in this case the 1 and the 0. So that's step 1. The second step is to put in the upper limit of integration, in this problem a 1. So wherever I have an x, put in a 1. So 1/3 x cubed will become 1/3 1 cubed. And then 1/2 x squared will become 1/2 1 squared. And then finally 2 times x will be 2 times 1. And the times 1 simplifies pretty easily. You're going to have 1/3 plus 1/2 plus 2. Now here we will have to make a common denominator. So 1/3, let me write that as 2 over 6. 2 over 6 is a 1/3. It will reduce back to 1/3. But I want that common denominator. And 1/2 can be written as 3 over 6 because it reduces back to a half. And the 2, you can actually leave it as a 2. Or if you want to maintain that common denominator, a 2 can be written as 12 over 6. That still reduces to a 2, but now I have a nice common denominator. And if I add the numerators, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 12 is 17. So I have 17 over 6 as my answer to step 2 when I put in the upper limit of integration for my variable. So step 3, put in the lower limit of integration, which is a 0, which will be pretty easy. So 1/3 x cubed becomes 1/3 times 0 cubed, plus 1/2 x squared will become 1/2 0 squared. And then 2 times x will become 2 times 0. Well, 0 is pretty easy. It just gives you an answer of 0. So step 3 has an answer of 0. Now the final step, step 4, is subtract those two answers. 17 over 6 minus 0. Well, the 0 makes it easy. I don't even need a common denominator. 17 over 6 minus 0 is 17 over 6. Or if you like mixed numbers better, you could write that as 2 and 5/6. It's the same thing. Either way is good.